How to delete an Air Tahiti Nui account. Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. In this tutorial, you would learn if it's possible to delete your Air Tahiti account. Now the first step is to log in into your account, just like I've done here. And then once you're logged in, you'll see options like book, deals and packages, loyalty, entry conditions, more. By clicking on more, you'll see more options under your Tahiti account. Now you will see that you cannot see anything like profile, like settings, stock more, or delete account. This is because there is no direct way to delete your account yourself on Air Tahiti Nui. So how do you delete account? By reaching out to the customer support. That is, click on the help option. Once you click on the help option, you decide to search out articles based on the question, which is you would like to delete your account. So you can just search out articles and click on how to delete my Air Tahiti Nui account. Alright, so after doing that, click on search, and articles that have addressed this would be displayed to you. But since there are no articles for that, the next option would be to click on contact us. Okay, so on this page, scroll down and then select the purpose for your request. Okay, just select the topic, select the subtopic, click on continue, and then once an agent is brought to you, go ahead to ask your question that you would like to delete your Air Tahiti Nui account, and you'll be further directed on what to do. But you must note that Air Tahiti Nui does not support deleting accounts, since creating an account is not even a requirement for you to book a flight on the website. Okay, so that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.